Hey guys, welcome to LearnBase Reviews. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of the Luxe Megabag Travel Duffle and checking whether luxemegabag.com is legit or a scam. So, the Luxe Megabag is marketed as a one-bag-fits-all travel solution. A spacious, durable, stylish duffel that claims to replace multiple bags and save you on airline fees. The website says it offers premium leather look finish, generous carry-on dimensions, built-in compartments, and stylish looks for airport/road travel. Now how about legitimacy and real-world experience? On the plus side, the store has dozens of reviews on platforms like Trustpilot. Many users say the bag arrived, looked decent, fit a surprising amount of stuff, and the design got compliments. Also, security checkers give the site a medium risk, proceed with caution score. E.g., Scam Advisor lists the trust score at approximately 62% and notes the domain age is recent. However, there are important caveats. Some customers report poor material quality, handles that rip easily, or bags that smell chemically. The website's domain is fairly new, registered mid-2024, and owner identity is hidden obscure. Mixed reviews. While many praise the bag, a significant number give 1 star for delivery problems or quality issues. On Trustpilot, the average sits around 3.7 out of 5 with many 1-star reviews. Bottom line, Luxe Megabag appears not to be an obvious scam. The product exists, people received packages, and many are happy. But it's also not fully risk-free. If you decide to buy, go in with realistic expectations. It may be a decent carry-on travel bag, but don't assume luxury brand durability. Use a secure payment method, credit card or PayPal with buyer protection, check return policy, and inspect the materials when it arrives. If this review helped you, hit like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns.